Asus Zenbook Duo is all about two displays, a technology that Asus has been pushing and enhancing for several years now. The 2021 Duo lineup includes Zenbook Duo 14 and Zenbook Duo 15. This year, Asus brings in a slimmer design, updated performance hardware, and several improvements to the core dual screen technology. So we have for the review today Asus Zenbook Duo 14 UX482E model. And we will try to show you why you should consider this laptop. So do watch the video till then to know about this device. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe. Coming to the design of the laptop looks slim. Measures around 16.9mm in thickness, and it is also reasonably light at 1.6 kg and very comfortable to carry in a backpack. Asus has used magnesium aluminum alloy for the chassis and the lid, and the signature brushed metal finish that feels premium and elegant. The biggest change this year is the new AAS Plus, that is Active Aerodynamic System, and a hinge that seamlessly lifts the secondary panel to a 7-degree angle, which is very interesting. This gentle lift reduces the spacing between the two screens and also ensures better airflow. This means you won't have to crane your head downward or adjust your posture every time you switch your gaze from one to another. But accommodating two displays involves some design trade-off. The biggest is that there is no spare for handrest. Asus addresses this by shifting the keyboard to the very bottom so users can comfortably rest their hands on a table while typing. The trackpad crammed to a far right is also far from ideal. The click buttons are small and the productivity application mandate the use of an external mouse. There is option to convert the secondary screen into a giant touchpad, but that is not so comfortable. Due to these limitations, we suggest you use this laptop on a table and don't use this laptop on your lap or somewhere where you cannot place this laptop comfortably. Display. The primary 14-inch screen has a narrow side bezels which makes it appear more immersive. Asus targets 100% RGB color space, which should make the Duo more appealing to its target of creative professionals. There is also a Pantone validated certification which should be relevant to a section of designers and those involved in publishing work. Yes, the primary screen feels perfectly befitting the price tag, but the main reason why you would be buying a Zenbook Duo is for its two screens. This year, the 12.6-inch secondary IPS LCD panel is brighter and more vibrant, and unfortunately due to some software glitch or video driver, I'm not able to show you in this video. But believe me, using this secondary screen will improve your productivity. Both screens get 400 nits brightness, but the matte finish on the screen pad makes it appear a tad dull against the glossy and reflective primary panel. With a few applications like Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Photoshop and Lightroom, the screen pad opens up a control panel with relevant buttons, sliders and dials for zoom, contrast and more. So this laptop is best suited for video and photo editors. And the dual screen experience is not just a gimmick, it is a productive thing. There is a rich assortment of connectivity options, similar to what we have seen on the Zenbook earlier models. This model includes a USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type A port, two USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports and an audio jack, a card reader and a standard HDMI 1.4. The new Duo also supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. This laptop is powerful. It is powered by 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7 11th generation quad-core processor paired with 16 GB of RAM of LPDDR4X type and 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD storage, which is fast. The Zenbook Duo 14 comes with optional NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 graphics with 2 GB GDDR6 VRAM. For the Duo 14, there is also a Core i5 option that you can go with, and that Core i5 option will cost you around 1 lakh Indian rupees or $1,200. The Zenbook 14 Duo is a powerful laptop for routine work and moderate productivity needs. This is not a machine that would stutter if you push it with the obscene Chrome tabs or aggressive multitasking. Asus has a very impressive heat dissipation mechanism that includes two 59-blade fans, a heavy-duty heat dissipation pipe, and a new ergo lift hinge that supposedly improves airflow by 49%. The 70 Wh battery is rated to last for 17 hours as the Asus claims. But in many of the reviews that I have watched online and I have read online and what I have experienced, this laptop can give you up to 12 hours or more than that. The Zenbook Duo also supports fast charging and can go from 0 to 60% in under 49 minutes. So battery mileage is quite impressive, especially factoring the extra screen. Coming to the speaker sound, I just play a video or a audio with the no copyright music so that you can listen and judge the sound quality. Let us see its pros and cons. The pros are, it has got excellent design, screen pad is genuinely useful, excellent battery mileage, impressive connectivity options including 2 Thunderbolt 4.0 ports. The only disappointment is with the keyboard, because you will not get a proper hand rest, and the squeezed trackpad also disappoint. So to conclude with, the Zenbook Duo 14 is for anyone who has a specific dual screen use case in mind or values 2 screen and ready to bear a cramped keyboard and a trackpad. Links are given in the description, you can purchase the laptop from there. So this is our review of the Asus Zenbook Duo 14 UX482E. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.